Alrighty, so what have we done today? Put a little bit more here, put that fence in, put that fence in there, and then I was just working out the road. That's going to go up here to this level, and the main thing I've done today is, that was there before, that's a little switch to switch the power to the garden bit. But if we dim the lights, we have lights on the station and have my first little street light in, and I've also put an orange one in the tunnel. I might need to put some more in just to give it that feeling of, you know, an underpass kind of thing. Yeah, I can't get around here, but you get the idea. So I've done a little bit of this. I was just checking that it's all going to work okay. So I think that's going to be cool. There we go. So I've grasped my little hilly bit here, and I'm trying this stuff for the road surface, and then obviously I'll paint it. So we'll see how that comes out. Just done a bit more here. I've done that little area there. It's coming along now. Got a bit more pavement in. And that's going to be a little underpass. And then so I need to make that brick. And then I've built my bridge. So that's going to go over to there. Right, so I've put the bridge in place, and I'm now going to make this into a hill. And then I've got these bits. I still need to finish this off, but these are going to be, you know, toppings. Go on there and then do the pavement. So let's get plastering. Right, so I've done the hilly bit around there, but top tip, always make sure that your trains can still get around, because that is gonna hit. So it's time to get the knife. We'll just do a little repair job on that. Well, it's very close, but hopefully we'll get away with it. So Christmas has been, and I've got loads of little goodies. Lots of stuff from Scale Model Scenery. So I've got some pallets, train indicator signs, park benches, bikes, picnic benches, manhole covers and general road furniture, fencing, litter, bicycle shelter, notice board, rubbish skips, and a little barn. So, having built a few of these Scale Model Scenery things, the other thing that is invaluable is this. Because they are extremely fiddly. I also got this Roadwork Southeast coach for Christmas. That's to go with my class 50, and then I'll probably get another few more as well. I can't actually show you it running because I've left all my decent trains, locos, whatever you want to call them, upstairs, because it is so cold in here now. See, really cold. I had to buy a new heater as well, but I'll turn that off for the minute because it's quite noisy. I filled in the join here and here, and gosh, it's so good I couldn't even see where it was. There was a join here that I filled in. I just need to be a bit creative joining the two sort of different textures there together. And got this as well for Christmas. This is good. So my sister had this sign made for me. Ta-da! So that will go. I have to put that up on the wall. That's really cool. Oh, and the other thing I have to say is I really just started making these videos for just myself, really, just to see how progress was, and my family was interested, so I was sharing it with them. But I've noticed some people subscribing to the channel now, which is something that I wasn't really aiming at, but to anyone that has subscribed, thank you. I won't be pushing it for more subscribers. I'm not really into that kind of stuff, but it's nice to know other people are interested in my shenanigans out here. So as you see, I have my my lovely new sign up, and something I guess that's come out of this pandemic thing, and the fact that it's Christmas and I've got 2 weeks off work means we can't go anywhere or do a lot, so I've just had loads of time in here, which has been quite nice and productive. So where have we got to? Right, so I've done the platform edgings now. Fixed all this fencing here. That's going to be my little bicycle store. I've marked out the road, and I've built this second wall here, so that's going to be an underpass, and I'm going to put a thing there to hide that join. Yeah, marked out the road, and I've kind of grassed this hilly bit here. That's probably about it. This took ages to do for some reason. So that's about it for today. Okay, so another day with more messing around in here. And what have we done today? I've put that section back in, and I've put some street lights in there. Done a bit of paving along here. I've made the support there. I just need to do the top and stick that all in. Bike shelter that I built. That was one of the kits that Callie got me for Christmas. And there's another one there. And then got my little market scene here, which was another scale model scenery kit, which was, my god, so fiddly to build. So that's that done, and yeah, I think that's probably about it. Let's have a look at the lighting. So there we go. So we've got street lights in here. Oh, and so what have we got here? We've got the Winchester Tavern. That's a Shaun of the Dead reference. We've got Lady Macbeth's shoes. That's where Callie had her very first Saturday job. And the other one is just generic George Savage that came with the kit. I shall change that at some point. I'm not sure what to just yet. So yes, making good progress. Still plenty to be done. But yeah, done quite a lot over these last few days, I think, and it's starting to really, you know, come to life now, which is nice. So really enjoying stuff. Oh, and for these little bike racks, I did have some little scale model scenery bicycles that I made. I made about 4 of them, but for the life of me, I cannot find them. I don't know what I've done with them. Maybe one of the cats has ate them, but so I might have to make some more of those.